You study the tools. You live and breathe motion design. But do you wonder how to get booked at the studio of your dreams? Are you feeling a little lost with where you fit in this ever-changing industry? If you're feeling stuck in your career or wondering where to go next, you've come to the right place. Let us help you make your next move in motion design. Let us help you level up. This course has been created with artists of all experiences in mind. It's built to help you look out to the future of the industry to see where we're all headed, while also taking an introspective look at where you are right now in your career. We'll focus on connecting what got you into motion design in the first place with where you've always envisioned you could go to help you chart a course for your future. Here's some of the things we'll be talking about together over the course of Level Up. I've pulled together an amazing lineup of industry pros to discuss where the industry's headed. You might actually be surprised by some of the places motion design is going to be going. Now, after that, we'll discuss ways to gain confidence in yourself and your work. With everything changing so fast, it can be easy to lose your edge these days. Between all the hardware and software changes, constantly chasing new technology and techniques, and just the demands of clients always increasing, finding work-life balance, it's a major challenge. But we've got you there, including a talk with an expert on imposter syndrome. Now, who here has felt that fear creeping up on them every day? I know I have. From there, we'll talk about how to fill in the skill gaps that may be haunting you and how to take control of your career and stop giving away your power to clients and studios. Finally, we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, how to take your first step to your future with something we all have to do several times in our career. That's right, we're going to talk demo reels. How current is yours? Don't worry, we'll show you how to whip yours into shape very quickly. Now, we'll talk all those things, but we don't stop there. With Level Up, you're also going to get PDF guides full of tons of resources and the Skill Tree, an exclusive podcast that features the best minds of the industry. Level Up is all about helping you take that next step in your motion design career and giving you permission to find the fun again in what got you started in the first place, while also connecting you to your inner artist that's been waiting to burst onto the scene. If you've been in the industry wanting to know how to take the next step in your career, if you've ever been frustrated with your work, with your job title, or your future, join me as we take the journey together to find our way forward. Let's level up together. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in class.